Okay, so in the previous lecture, we saw how you can use ChatOllama, right? We just simply gave a prompt, and in the prompt itself, we gave, okay, what is the capital of India? What is the capital of France? And we were able to execute it with the invoke method. Now I give to you a new way of using it, and which is the recommended way is using chat prompt template class. So what you might remember why we actually downloaded the LangChain core library or the package was because we have to make use of the chat prompt template. Now this is somehow, think about it, we are going closer to how things are done in the world of OpenAI as well. And don't worry, we will have some further videos will show you how you can use OpenAI code inside Llama as well. But for now, if you see and try and understand this, so all I'm doing is I'm saying from LangChain Llama import ChatOllama, pretty simple, which what we did in the previous one. Then I'm saying from LangChain core dot prompts import chat prompt template. As the name suggests, it is giving us a prompt template. So for a prompt, it is giving us a blueprint or a kind of a template that we need to use. Then we are instantiating our client as we've been doing. We are saying Llama client is ChatOllama and model is Llama 3.2. Now here we are getting a prompt. So we are instantiating a prompt object. You can say you're calling chat prompt template, right? Dot, you are saying from messages. So you're calling the method from messages, and it's just a blueprint. As I said, you're giving system message to it that you are a helpful assistant, and you're also saying that, okay, the user will give an input. So you need to wait for that input and execute it accordingly. Now this is the beauty of chaining, right? Lego, how you join pieces. So what I'm saying is prompt pipe Llama client. So take the prompt and pass it over to Llama client. So take the prompt and pass it to Llama client. Llama client is where the ChatOllama is being called. And then it's pretty simple. I'm saying output is chain, right? Chain dot invoke, the same way how we did in the previous lecture. Chain dot invoke, I'm calling the input, which was our prompt. And here the input is what is the capital of India, and we execute the code. And we should get the response. Bingo. So it says capital of India is New Delhi. Perfect, right? So with this lecture, I just wanted to tell you that how you can do chaining. When we say chaining or bringing the pieces together, so you are bringing a prompt and you are joining it or bringing it together with or chaining with Llama client and passing it over to get the invoke method returned and the output back to the user. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.